Hello students, I am Sudhir Tomar. Today we are going to study a topic in English grammar. As you can see, I have written some words on the board. They are book, boy, car, persons. These are all nouns. Now I am going to put some words before them. Let's see. Then you have this or some. Book, boy, car, persons. These are noun. These are noun. And a, this, are, and some. These are the words that limit these nouns: book, boy, car, persons. Means a, this, are, and some. Limit these nouns. A, this, are and some. Limit these nouns. इन nouns को limit कर रहे हैं, इनको सीमित कर रहे हैं, इनका दायरा सीमित कर रहे हैं. These are determiners. Today we are going to study determiners. Determiners. देखिए, it refers to a determiner. It is a word that determines or limits the noun, that follows it. It is a word. यह एक शब्द है. It determiner एक शब्द है that determines और limits, जो निर्धारण करता है या सीमित करता है the noun को, that follows it, जिसे यह फॉलो करता है. Means it refers to determiner. जैसे देखिए, यहां नाउन है बुक. इसने जो वर्ड है ए, ये डिटरमिनर है. इसने बुक को डिटरमाइन कर दिया, लिमिट कर दिया. एक बुक. दिस बॉय, यह लड़का. आर कार, हमारी कार. सम पर्सन्स, कुछ व्यक्ति, सभी को डिटरमाइन कर दिया है. दीज आर ऑल डिटरमिनर्स. लेट्स सी फर्दर. देखिए, डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिटरमिनर्स एंड एडजेक्टिव. Difference between determiners and adjective. The determiners limits a noun, but an adjective qualifies a noun or pronoun. देखिए, फर्स्ट हम देखें, अगर फर्स्ट वो देखते हैं, no change can be done in the form of determiners. मीन्स डिटरमिनर्स की फॉर्म में, उसके आकार में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं किया जा सकता. जैसे जो डिटरमिनर्स हैं यहां पर एन, गा, माई, ये सभी डिटरमिनर्स हैं. वन, ऑल, ये सभी इनके आकार में कोई परिवर्तन नहीं किया जा सकता, लेकिन जो नाउन है वी कैन चेंज द फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव। जैसे बिग एडजेक्टिव है, बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट, वाइज, वाइजर, वाइजेस्ट। ये इनकी फॉर्म में परिवर्तन किया जा सकता है। लेट्स सी फर्दर। देखिए सेकंड बी, ये डिफरेंस हम देख रहे थे। सेकंड डिफरेंस, डिटरमिनर्स आर यूज्ड बिफोर नाउन, यूज्ड बिफोर नाउन, यूज बिफोर नाउन, ये यूज किए जाते हैं नाउन से पहले। जैसे टू स्टूडेंट्स, a few books, a little milk, two, a few, a little. These are determiners, but adjectives are used, or adjective can be used before or after the noun. जैसे this is a good book, अब यहां ये एडजेक्टिव है। This book is good, adjective means before noun, after noun we can use them. When both are used, both means when determiners and adjectives are used in a sentence, we follow the structure, both are used. Structure, the determiners means determiner plus adjective plus noun. जैसे I have learned some important questions. In some, determiner, adjective and noun. These are the differences. Let's see further. Now we will study the kinds of determiners. Let's see kinds of determiners. Kinds of determiners. There are 4 kinds of determiners. Let's see. First, articles. Second, possessive. Third, demonstrative. And fourth, quantifiers. These are 4 kinds. Articles, 2, definite, and indefinite. Possessive, my, our, your, his, her, there is. Demonstrative, this, that, these, and those. Quantifiers, little, few, much, many, some, any, all, one, first. These are the kinds of determiners. Today we have studied determiners, its meaning, a difference with adjective, and 4 kinds. In the next video we will continue further. Till then, thank you. Have a nice time.